Today is May the 4th, 2021. I'm in Virginia City, Nevada. Dun, 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 dun. That's Bonanza. And walking on the sidewalk, which is a boardwalk, picking them up, putting them down. And it's early yet, it's only about 9 o'clock, so all the shops are closed. I'm just basically killing time till the mine tours open up. There's some nice rocks in there. All kind of little gems. I like rocks. Fine jewelry. And if you go in the stores, they want you to wear a mask, which is good. I understand that. So, there's help wanted here. Bloody Marys. Bloody Hammer. 25 types of beer, Gorilla Milk. All right, 25, probably bottled beer. And here's my trusty Chariot. And this is a saloon and casino, 21 and older. Looks pretty nice in there. Yeah, I'm still walking up here on the boardwalk, a little uneven here in spots. But it's warm here in the sun, even though the temperature is only like 50, but with the sun shining on this side of the street, it's toasty. I'm the only one out here too. Oh, almost tripped there, tripping hazard. There's belts. Western wear. We got hand sanitizer out here. It's a good sign. Mostly open up at 11 o'clock, so I don't blame them. There's Virginia City Mercantile. Ponderosa Saloon and Mine Tour. I want to take this one later on, so I'm going to look at this. And parking seems to be at a premium around here. Guided mine tours. Closed. Do the mine tours open up later?
Yes, they do. Around 12 noon or so we'll be in.
Okay. Thank you. Guided underground tour. Mine tour guide. Well, he said they open up around 12 o'clock, so that's not going to work. I don't know if I want to hang around here until 12 o'clock. Let's cross the street on the other side here. Check for traffic. Not too much traffic right now. This is the main street. This is pretty much the street. Virginia City is not a big town. A little cooler on this side of the street with the breeze here. And Virginia City Mercantile. And we got the flags out here. All kinds of stuff here. Sons of Trump. MAGA chapter, that's a good sign. Hello, hello. Oh, sure, thank you.
You're welcome. Come on in.
All right.
Breakfast of Champions right there.
I just ate there, but thanks. Can I just have a look?
Yeah, come on
Okay.
in. We got lots to look at.
Wow, they got a lot of stuff in here. Tons of stuff. Everything you could possibly think of here. All kinds of signs, flags, stickers. All kinds of candy. Look at all that candy back there.
All kinds of everything.
Yeah, all kinds of candy, everything you could possibly think of. You can get a sheriff's badge if you want. Some old keys. There you go. Need an old key. And all kind of mugs, clocks. Need a clock. All kind of good clocks back there. Patches. Any type of patch that you could possibly think of. All kind of flags. All the old lunch boxes up here. Won't you be my neighbor? Yeah. Oh, more candy, more candy. Looks like the whole shop is lined with candy on both sides here. Everything you could possibly think of here with candy. More candy over here too. Another section with all kinds of candy. You want candy? This is the place to be here. Oh, you got some Virginia City, Nevada. Oh, I like that. I like that. I have to get one of those. I have to get one of these here. Nevada, Virginia City. Yeah, more candy back here. More candy. Tons of candy here. All kinds of stuff back here. How do they get all this stuff in here? I don't know. Old pictures. Looks like old signs. No photos. If you like it, buy it. All right. We're not doing back there. 6 foot social distancing. Beware of attack hunter. Yeah, let's see here. Nevada, Virginia City. Got signs up there on the top. The little skates. Marijuana, bag of marijuana there. So we got more gems here. All right. Look at all those geodes in there. Very nice, very nice. I can't remember where I parked my car. I think it's back up the other way. Oh no, there it is. There's my chariot over there. Yeah, not much to see this time of morning. The girl in the shop says a lot of stores don't open up till 10:30, 11 o'clock or thereabouts. So you may not get too much stuff done in the morning. Well, bad move on my part. I walked down here. Thought I'd walk to the train station, but it's all downhill some blocks away. And then I have to walk back up that steep hill. So I decided, no way, I'll just go up the steps again here. All right, here we go. We got the train station over here, but they do have steam locomotive rides, short ones, but there's no set schedule. You have to call in advance and see when they're going to do it, etc., etc. So that's out of the question for sure. But we got some other things over here. A mound o' dirt. A dog barking. We got like an old compressor or generator or something over here. Some old parts which we're going to look at here. Just killing time till some of those things are open here. So there's a old machine, old metal wheels. Don't have to worry about getting a flat on the metal wheels, that's for sure. And we got some other stuff over here. We got old wagon. It's pretty old here. Look at that. That one has wood wheels, but metal on the outside. Well, that's pretty good too. That wood's got to be many, many years old there. And a picnic bench. Well, we got a cable here. I don't know what that is, but looks like a little tractor here. And holding up well for being out in the elements with rust and everything. It's not like disintegrating, and who knows how old that is. So I don't know. Okay. Well, here's the depot. It says it was, I guess, erected in 1870. And down here it says mass required, reservations required. Enjoy. Candy cane, train of lights. Is that something left over from Christmas? I don't know here. So here's all about the railroad. You can stop the video if you'd like to read that. Okay. And nope, not much here.